Awesome.
Look at that baby, huh?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'll be able to see the owls in the tops of the trees again at night.
You'll be able to owl watch again.
I will.
Yeah, it looks about as good as a new one.
Yeah.
And that one we know is at least 4 or 5 years old.
Right.
So now we gotta fit it. What's nice about these headlights is you don't have to take the bumper off like so many other headlights. You don't have to do that, which is great because a lot of modern cars you gotta take bumpers off.
That blows.
Yeah, right, totally. Look at that. Oof, right in there it goes.
Fits right in like a glove.
Yep. No collision damage. That was a big factor here.
Oh yeah.
Despite some of the body work, it's not wrecked.
Right.
So everything we put back together, I mean, as you see, the lines are really nice on this car. So there it is. Just gotta tighten the bolts up and that's an install.
Super.
Plus the fact that if you need these, they're actually very cheap to buy.
Mm-hmm.
We opted to restore these because
there's nothing wrong with them.
no, and Gayle likes where they're pointing.
Mm-hmm.
So she wants to blind some people, blind the owls at night.
I'm not blinding them.
No?
No.
You're just owl
I'm just
watching.
watching. They close their eyes.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. There it is, Gayle.
Wow.
How about that, huh?
Fantastic.
That looks awesome.
Sure does.
That looks like a brand new car.
Sure does.
So, hot dog.
Hot dog.
That's pretty much other than these 2 pieces of foam for the water channel.
Mm-hmm.
And you got an emblem for the grill.
Mm-hmm.
You're ready.
Brian is very carefully installing that emblem that I very carefully scraped and cleaned. Check it out. Look how great that looks. And here's my trunk emblem. I had to be pretty careful when I was working on these. They're more delicate than you think. But look how great that looks.
Does that look straight to you? Does it look right?
These are really tough to line up and get right.
I don't know. Now tape the corners.
Again, these are really delicate and we have to be really careful with them.
There's a little red piece of tape stuck in the A.
I don't know if any of you guys have ever done this before, but we all know how important it is to make sure that your emblems are not crooked. Look how great that looks. Ah, such a wonderful job Brian is doing for me. Yeah, that definitely looks better. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's gonna look so great. I can't wait. Check that out. Look how great that looks.
At least I don't think they would.
I don't think either.
No.
That looks super.
I think that is a little bit, I think when they put them on in the factory, they were up high.
So let me just say in closing that these emblems caused me a lot of anxiety. Cleaning them was easy, but cutting them out and putting them on the car without getting them crooked and or messing up the new paint was something I stressed over. And thankfully, very thankfully, Brian cut them out, lined them up, and installed them on Tina for me. I wanted to say how much I appreciate Brian for doing this for me, and they look absolutely fantastic.